What up, guys? I'm doing a scouting run for the Class A truck out in the desert here. So one of the services we do, I guess you wouldn't really call it a service, but to prevent our Class A trucks from getting stuck out here in the desert, we do scouting runs with the Class B truck, because I'm out here where it's a lot of dune sand, and it's really easy for the Class A's to get stuck out here. They got single lane dirt roads onto single lane dirt road turns. So, all right, well, I'm gonna turn you around here. So this is a spot where the truck's gonna have to turn onto. Which so far is somewhat doable. So what I'm looking for is the dirt to get too soft and the turns to be too tight for the big truck. And I'm glad I'm doing this today, because I used to send, when I was running the Class A, last year I'd send the Class B guy up here to scout for me, but he'd never driven a Class A truck before, so he didn't understand the concept between the two trucks of how different they are, the turning radiuses, the differential between the weight balance of having the trailer and this being a straight truck. So when you're on the 10-wheeler, you got two differential locks on this truck, so you got all 8 wheels in the back pushing or pulling, and then you got just the 2 in the front that aren't powered. So you're either pushing or pulling 2 tires that aren't powered. Well, when you're in the semi, you got the 8 tires that are at the 5th wheel that are pushing and pulling. And then you're dragging 8 tires in the back, or trying to reverse 8 tires in the back that aren't powered, plus the 2 tires in the front. So you got 8 out of the 18 tires with power. In this truck, you got 8 out of the 10. So, plus the difference in this truck, the Moffett is putting the weight down on my drive tires, you know. It's keeping those tires on the ground, whereas the Moffett on the tractor trailer takes the weight. You know, it's 63, I believe it's 6,320 some odd pounds, the Moffett. So depending on your load and whatnot, that Moffett could be taking weight off of your tires to get traction. And I've actually, I've been stuck out in the desert before where I've had to take the Moffett off. Then I was able to get moving just by taking the Moffett off, because that's how much that Moffett affects the drivability of that specific 36-foot trailer. You got to watch these intersections out here too, because there's no stop signs, and people like to bring their Baja trucks out here and go nuts. I am right up against the 29 Palms Marine Corps base on my right here. So I'm moving along pretty quick. This is pretty easy for the Class B. I got the turn coming up here. This is going to be one of my determining factors right here, because this is the problem. If I get to this turn in a Class A and I can't make the turn, well, then I got to back all the way up to that road that I just went down. So yeah, it says take a right here. Caution, deep sand, 4x4 only. recovery and tow. There's a freaking sign right there. Well, I'm not even going to take that road. I'm not sure if there's another way to go in. Yeah, I'm looking down that road and I don't think you want to mess around either way with that road. So I'm gonna have to report that one as a no-go. So what we'll do, man, I don't even know what I'll do in the Class B truck in that one. That's actually the first time I've actually run into one of those signs out here that says caution deep sand. Even in this truck. So I'll give you a view. That's what we're looking at there. And this is the problem, is this sand. I don't know if you can tell, but it's deep, and with those tires will sink down a foot or two in that sand. And this road is supposed to be right off here to the right somewhere. So, and I just can't really tell where that's at. I might have to go around another way. I'm gonna try another street over here. There's another street right down back from the way I came that shoots across. Yeah, that's right here. That's not gonna happen. No way. That's not even a road. I wouldn't even consider that a road. That's more of like a trail for a quad or something. There's another one here. This is definitely a no-go. Too small. And then I got one more. Winters Road is normally a bigger road, so let's see. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, this is okay for the Class B here. It's tight. One is this street, but the next one's actually, oh, it's soft here too. The next one's actually the street the delivery's on. This is it here. Yeah, you're not making this turn in the big rig. You'd be off in the soft sand on the right over here. Your wheels would get stuck. Yeah, this is not a road for a big rig. So I'm gonna see if I can even find this address on this road. There's only like 1 or 2 properties. Alright, well, there's one property here. See, the problem now out here is you don't know if you're driving onto somebody's property or not. Well, here's a for sale sign here, so that's one property. Let's see. I don't even see the address. There's a lady there. No address posted. That's the other problem out here. So this is about as far as this road goes. This one looks like it's under construction here, so I'm guessing that might be the job site. I don't see a, boy, this thing gets soft over here. I'm just trying to get the hell back out of here. I'm guessing this was the house. It's under construction, but nobody puts their address out here. So that's the other problem. There's only 2 properties on that street. So I'm gonna say it's okay for the Class B, but not for the Class A. I do not see anything with an address. All right, well, that's how you do a scouting run. I can't send a Class A down this road. They won't be able to, if they got down here to that house, they can't make that turn at the end of that road either. This is just too much. So, alright, well, I'm gonna call it on that one. That's how you scout ahead for your Class A truck. They would have, and the problem is my Class A trucks right now, the closest one to me is probably almost 2 hours from here. So if they would have just sent this truck all the way up here, it would have been for nothing. That's just a no-go, that road. I gotta figure which way to get back out of here. Came this way. But yeah, that's that would have been a huge waste of time for the Class A truck. So anyways, that's it for the scouting run. I'll catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe if you're new, and then Give me a comment if you'd like, and then I'll talk to y'all later.